Listen carefully, because what I am about to tell you may shock you. Scientists say something huge is coming. Something that will change your daily life forever. And it starts with the death of the device you are holding right now. For years, the smartphone was our companion, our guide, our entertainment, our map, our memory. But what if I told you that this device is living its final days? What if I told you that a new world is rising? A world where screens vanish. A world where your digital life escapes the phone and enters the real world. Imagine this. You wake up and there is no phone beside you. You try to look for it, but your room itself responds. Good morning. Your heart rate is stable. Your sleep cycle is complete. Your day is ready. You did not touch any device. Your room understands you. Scientists say smartphones were never meant to be the final invention. They were only a transition, a bridge, a temporary tool, because something far more powerful is approaching. Imagine now, your pockets are empty, your hands are free, but messages, maps, navigation, all appear in the air before your eyes. These are not dreams anymore. They are real, and they are evolving faster than you can imagine. Picture this moment. You stand on a busy street. No phone, no screen. Yet you see arrows guiding your path. You see translations above people's faces. You see digital notes floating near buildings. The world itself becomes your display. But this is only the beginning. But this is only the beginning. Scientists are building smart lenses that sit quietly on your eyes. These lenses can zoom your vision, record your surroundings, show health data, and send alerts silently. The most terrifying and thrilling invention of all. A device that reads your thoughts. A system that lets you type, talk, and operate technology using your mind. No touch needed, no voice needed, just thought. This is why smartphones are dying. Because humans are moving toward invisible technology. Technology that blends into your senses. Technology that removes screens forever. Imagine sending a message simply by thinking it. Imagine unlocking your door with a blink. Imagine learning a skill while digital instructions appear around you. Imagine exploring a city where information floats in the air like ghosts. Always near you, always watching, always helping. And here is the part scientists whisper about. If this technology keeps growing at the same speed, by 2035, people will look at smartphones the same way we look at old radios. Curious, confused, outdated. Now imagine the future of travel. No phone. Your glasses show your boarding pass, your seat, your flight status, your translation all around you. Imagine the future of work. Your tasks float in front of you. Your AI coworker stands beside you like a hologram. Data moves in 3D and time feels faster. Even entertainment transforms. No small screen. You step inside the movie. You walk inside the scene. You feel every moment, every sound, every color. Science says the end of smartphones is not the end of technology. It is the birth of a new era. An era where tech becomes part of your vision, part of your senses, part of you. And the scariest part, this future is much closer than you think. If you want more mysteries like this, more future secrets, more shocking science predictions, Subscribe my Future Scope channel.